With the launch of the Galaxy A55 5G and A35 5G, Samsung is breaking new ground by bringing flagship-level features within reach of a larger audience. With a bunch of features and specifications, these devices are not just smartphones but a statement. Although these models are not as powerful as the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, they provide excellent value for their price tags. Let's dive into what makes these devices a must-have for those who want to make a difference. Inside each retail box, you get the phone, a SIM ejector pin, and a USB Type-C to C cable. This is a typical Samsung affair, so do not expect any bundled charger. The Galaxy A55 has a metal frame, while the Galaxy A35 uses plastic while having glass back. Both devices come with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front screen and the back an IP67 rating. So no need to worry about getting your phone wet. What you'd see on the right side of both these models is what Samsung calls a key island. While the frame is flat, the area around the keys is raised and rounded. Available in the latest color trends, navy, lilac and ice blue for the A35, while ice blue, lilac, navy, lemon for the A55. The Galaxy A55 and Galaxy A35 both feature a 6.6-inch FHD plus Super AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. These devices are further enhanced with support for a peak brightness of 1000 nits for outstanding visibility in bright sunlight. Both come with Dolby Atmos dual stereo speakers. The flat display comes with a hole punch in the front with rounded corners and under-display fingerprint sensor. The Galaxy A55 is equipped with the Exynos 1480, which is a newer generation than the Galaxy A35's Exynos 1380. Both are equipped with an improved GPU and a 1.7 times larger vapor cooling chamber that ensures your device remains cool and doesn't overheat, even during heavy multitasking. It integrates with the Mali G60 8MP5 GPU, which is suitable for most everyday graphics processing needs. On the software front, both the A55 and A35 run on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14. You get 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security updates with these phones. The A55 and A35 have triple rear cameras. Both have a 50-megapixel primary camera and a 5-megapixel macro camera. However, the ultra-wide sensor specs differ. It is 8-megapixel on the A35 and 12-megapixel on the A55. The selfie cameras are also different. It is 32-megapixel on the A55 and 13-megapixel on the A35. Both smartphones deliver pretty decent camera performance for their respective price segment. Both devices support 4K video at 30 FPS. The A35 offers 8GB RAM and up to 256GB storage, while the A55 steps it up with a first time in a series, 12GB RAM option and up to 256GB storage. Both are backed up by a 5000 mAh battery and 25-watt fast charging, so you stay powered throughout your day, which will provide you up to 8 to 9 hours of screen time, but neither one has wireless charging. Ultimately, choosing these A-series phones boils down to your priorities. If a premium build and extended software support are paramount, both A35 and A55 are worth considering. If you're excited about cutting-edge technology, these phones are the perfect additions to your life. Don't wait any longer, grab your awesome today. That's it for our review of the Galaxy A55 and A35. What are your thoughts on these devices? Would you trade your current device for these? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech smackdowns. Thanks for watching.